one day I got success by my offering, my surrendering to the sun. That light could touch my body. Before, I don't know it is a yoga, and I didn't went for any expectation. I have to get something. Just I got interest, and my feeling was I enjoyed, means I got peace. So that's why I was going there. That morning, that light touched me. That was wonderful morning. And noontime, every day I used to take the noontime lunch, but that day I couldn't feel my hunger. I was not hungry. Then I felt, oh, today might have that light has touched me, and so I was not feeling hungry. Then I felt, how it could be. So night again I got meditation for knowing that process, how it can be hungerless. Then night time I saw that sunlight when I was looking through the pineal gland, then pineal gland got connected that cosmic energy, and that cosmic energy make metabolism. 5 element energy was separated, and that 5 element energy goes to my brain to bring back that energy to send to each and every organs and every cell inside. So through that energy I got charged. So that's why food is not required for me. Food is not required for our body. We need the energy, that kinetic energy. So that kinetic energy also indirectly comes from the sun. I got that vision.
सूर्य योगी उमा शंकर ने 29 चक्रों और सूर्य योग के पथ पर विभिन्न चरणों की जानकारी हमारे साथ बांटी। यह जानकारी उनको अमर गुरु महाअवतार बाबा जी द्वारा उस दौरान मिली जब सूर्य योगी उमा शंकर हिमालय में निवास कर रहे थे।
When samadhi stage, that time mind force is higher than gravitation force, so that time our body weight will be negative. Easily our life force will come out from the body, but our subconscious mind will be connection. So we will not die, but doctor will check, our pulse will be died, we are died, doctor will be declared, but still we are alive, we can come back. So Sama Odhi means we are inside and outside, we are the microcosm and macrocosm, we got connection, so we make it the balance, so that called enlightened. But San Yoga not only stop in the enlightened stage, San Yoga is started there. Yoga is the connection between soul to supreme soul, inner cosmos to universal cosmos. That time only we got connection with the universe. So San Yoga is started from there, and there has so many higher stages.
लोनावला भारत में कैवल्य धाम अनुसंधान केंद्र द्वारा किए गए उपचार परीक्षणों में निष्कर्ष आया कि सूर्य योगी उमा शंकर का कुल शारीरिक स्वास्थ्य स्तर भोजन मुक्त होने के लंबे अंतराल के बाद भी अपरिवर्तित बना रहा और उन्होंने अपनी हृदय गतिविधि पर एक महान नियंत्रण भी प्राप्त कर लिया था।
Stage when we are just after samadhi, then Amrit chakras, and means we can conquer our hunger, then we can conquer our thirst also, that called the Jivan Mukta chakras. After that, with diseaseless body we can get it, means there will be no disease. After that, Paramahansa stage means every stage, everywhere will be equal. That time we will be not disturbed to anywhere. That Paramahansa stage. Chaitanya stage means no enemy, including the animals. Then Amar chakras mean our body can be immortal. It's possible. Some people, scientific mind, we are thinking how it could be possible. You see, environment vibration and body mind vibration will be equal. At that time, environment cannot disturb our life force. So life force will be not destroyed by the environmental energy. So that's why this body can be keep it as much as longer time. That called the immortal body. So as Maha Avatar Babaji, to to whom I learned that he is still alive, minimum 1500 years old. And he gave me darshan in Himalayas twice. And he came through the light, and the light started vibrating. And after that vibration, he came out, physical body, and his body was alive. And eyes was movement, smiling face. And he gave me all this knowledge, that 29 chakras, what I am now explaining here. And he gave me that creation law of the universe, and why creation was started, and what mistakes we are doing, why global warming we are created. All the creation law and how each mistake could be solved also. Or everything Babaji has teached me. So that's why I am very grateful. I am very thankful to Maha Avatar Babaji who teach me. Actually, it is his knowledge. So after that, slowly we can get connection totally from the sun and moon. So enlightened stage is the very beginning stage for the San Yoga. Enlightened stage means when our inside cosmic light and universal cosmic light becomes one, got balance, peaceful.